The Queens Gambit board game, how to play. The object of the game is to have the most points when the last chess token is taken. Lay out the board. Pick a random setup card and set out the chess tokens on the board as indicated. The color of each piece does not matter. The number on each token indicates that token's point value. Each player takes a Gambit token and matching colored deck. Beginning with the oldest player, then proceeding counterclockwise, each player places their Gambit on any available start space. The player who places last will move first when the game begins. Gambits have the movement ability of the card you play. The card options are: Bishop, move any number of spaces diagonally. Rook, move any number of spaces horizontally or vertically. Queen, move any number of spaces horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Knight, move 2 spaces in one direction, then 1 space at a right angle to that one. The knight jumps over any piece in its way, while the other pieces slide to their destination and cannot travel through other pieces. Move your Gambit to the same space as a chess token to capture it, placing it in front of you. You may not move through or capture another player's Gambit, but you can jump over them with a knight move. Only the players' Gambits can move on the board. The chess tokens do not move. All the players shuffle their decks and draw 5 cards. Each player places 3 cards face down in front of them, one next to the other. Then each player draws 1 card from their deck. On your turn, flip your leftmost face down card face up to a discard pile, then move your Gambit based on the card you revealed. Then place 1 card from your hand face down to the right of your last face down card. Draw 1 card from your deck, then your turn ends. The next player clockwise takes a turn. If your draw deck runs out of cards, shuffle your discard into a new one. Play continues until the last chess token has been captured, then the player with the most points wins. In the event of a tie, then the tied player who had the closest to last turn wins.